as beautiful as it was in Polokwane. But one thing that I always note when Bafana Bafana is playing, South African football fans don't have Bafana Bafana t-shirts.
Yeah.
What is this thing? We see a stadium fully packed. We see people wearing equipas or Kaizer Chiefs wearing equipas or Orlando Pirates. We even seeing you wearing equipas, say Mamelodi Sundowns. Why is it that we don't get patriotic? And where is it Bafana Bafana? Just like we see if Sibuga am a Springbok.
I think it's a process, bro. If you've seen the struggles that Bafana has been to, where you will see less than 2,000 people attending a Bafana qualifier game to sold out affairs.
Yeah.
So these are things that come up with gradually with time.
Yeah.
We are going to have AFCON in December. If we are to do good there and maybe qualify for the World Cup that we are currently trying to, eventually you'll see people getting patriotic, and the marketing of Bafana I don't think is very good, but it's gonna come right with the results. And all those things will come into effect in the sales of ama t-shirts national team.
And in the
they will report to yes.